Winter can be a grueling time for drivers. The cold, snow, ice, and salt wreak havoc on your car, adding discomfort to your drive. Hi, I'm Snowden from Young Drivers of Canada, and here are 3 tips to help make your winter drive better. Removing all of the snow from your car. Think about how often you have the car in front of you blowing snow all over your windshield. You need to be able to see all the cars around you. Removing all of the snow, even the snow on the passenger window, rear window, the top of your car, your trunk, your hood, will make the drive safer and more comfortable. So spend an extra 2 minutes and clean off your car before you start driving. Cold weather washer fluids and winter wipers. Winter is treacherous for your wipers and windshields. The grime, salt, ice, and snow that muck up your windshield are in full effect. Having a good set of winter wipers and cold weather rated washer fluid will keep your windshields clear so you won't be struggling to look through the gaps of dirty windows. Wash your car. The grime, salt, ice, and snow is not only limited to your windshield, it gets into every little corner of your car, your headlights and taillights, and eventually all over your clothes too. Washing your car is not only about keeping things clean, removing the salt and grime will help prevent corrosion on the body of the car and on all moving parts of your car, preventing malfunctions. Just think, how much light do you think can come through headlights caked in winter road grime? These are just a few tips to help reduce stress and danger on the road this winter. Paired with great driving habits and patience, you can increase the chance of a stress-free winter driving season. Check out our winter survival kit video and click here to subscribe.